We took the vehicle to a local auto repair shop and they said it was probably the coils, so they replaced them at a very high cost. Then I took it to a big name auto parts store. They said the battery was good, but it could be the starter or alternator. Instead of dumping big dollars on a could be or maybe, I decided to check the ignition switch first. You can remove these using a 6mm ratchet. Here is a view of the steering column with the covers removed. And here is the ignition switch. Push in the tab and the little electrical harness should come right out. Here is the new part. Push in the tab at the bottom and on top at the same time, and simply pull the ignition switch out. The key pushes this pin into the ignition switch. Simply push it in and it will lock in place. Put the little electrical harness back in. I figured I'd better start it before putting the covers back on. Bolts back in place, and there we go. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.